Ever wondered what makes Meta AI so powerful? It's like a digital brain, capable of incredible feats. AI, or artificial intelligence, has evolved rapidly in recent years, moving from simple algorithms to complex systems that can learn and adapt. This journey has led us to Meta AI, a powerful tool that can revolutionize how we interact with the digital world. Meta AI can answer your questions in a comprehensive and informative way. It processes your queries just like we understand each other, by recognizing the words and their meaning. It then searches through a vast database of information, much like a digital library, to find the most relevant answers. Like a skilled author, Meta AI can generate human-like text for various purposes. Whether it's composing emails, writing stories, or creating engaging social media posts, the possibilities are endless. This technology opens up exciting opportunities for communication and content creation. Imagine a world where language is no longer a barrier to communication. Meta AI makes this possible with its multilingual capabilities, translating between major world languages with impressive accuracy. This opens up a world of opportunities for global collaboration and understanding. In today's information-saturated world, we are constantly bombarded with vast amounts of data. Meta AI acts as a filter, able to summarize lengthy articles and documents into concise summaries. It identifies the key points, providing you with the essence of the information quickly and efficiently. Need a fresh perspective or a helping hand? Meta AI can offer intelligent suggestions and guidance for a wide range of tasks. Whether you're planning a trip, choosing a restaurant, or even seeking career advice, Meta AI can provide tailored recommendations based on your needs. Meta AI can engage in context-aware conversations, remembering past interactions, and responding in a way that simulates human interaction. This ability to chat and converse makes it a valuable tool for customer service, education, and even companionship. Witness the magic of text-to-image synthesis, where Meta AI can generate images from textual descriptions. Like an artist with words as its brush, this technology allows us to visualize concepts and ideas in a completely new way. The world is full of complex terms and concepts that can be difficult to grasp. Meta AI acts as a translator, providing clear and concise definitions that simplify these complexities. This makes learning and understanding new information much easier. Meta AI can guide you through intricate tasks with step-by-step instructions, like a digital compass pointing you in the right direction. Whether you're assembling furniture or navigating a new city, Meta AI ensures you never lose your way. Unleash your creative potential with Meta AI's ability to generate diverse types of digital content, from music to videos to even code. This technology empowers us to express ourselves and share our ideas in ways never before imagined. Meta AI is not just a technological marvel, it's a tool that can empower us in countless ways. From simplifying daily tasks to unlocking new creative possibilities, the potential applications are vast. As we continue to explore the capabilities of AI, it's vital to consider how we can harness its power for the betterment of society. Join us as we delve deeper into the world of AI and discover how it can shape our future.